Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to log out or remove Phantom Wallet. So first, for logging out your Phantom Wallet, first you need to open Phantom Wallet. Then once you open Phantom Wallet, enter your all security or passwords, and then Phantom Wallet will appear on your screen. Here on the left side at the top, you have this button, click on it. Then on the left side, this type of page will appear. Here at the bottom left, you have settings button, tap on it. Once you tap on it, then settings page will appear. Here, what you need to do, just click on security and privacy. Then here at the bottom in this red color, you can see the option of reset app. Once you click on it, you can see your Phantom Wallet is log out. There's no more ways to log out your Phantom Wallet. Only this is a way to log out your Phantom Wallet. And for removing your Phantom Wallet, what you need to do, just go to your Google on main page. Then here at the top right corner, you have these three dots, click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of extensions, click on it. Once you click on it, then this will pop up. Here you have two options, just tap on manage extensions. Then on this extensions page, you can see your all extensions which you have added to your Chrome. So here in Phantom extension, you have two options, details and remove. Just tap on remove. Once you tap on remove, you can see your Phantom extension is removed from your Chrome. So this is the easiest and simplest way to log out or remove Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.